What's up, y'all, man? It's your big brother Trend. You tuned in again to another exclusive video. Man, this video about to be really, really deep. All right, so I need you to put your thinking cap on, because a lot of people ain't gonna be able to stay to the end of this video because you're just gonna go over your head. Okay, this video is for people that's really deep thinkers, because I'm about to tell you some truth that only a little bit of percentage of people like yourself only know. All right. And if you know anything about what I'm talking about in this video, make sure you speak up, let your voice be heard, leave a comment below, and let me know what you think, and let everybody else know what you think. But listen, y'all, can't you tell that the world is shifting right now, y'all? And when I say it's shifting, I mean like it's changing at an extremely fast rate. Like it's changing super fast. Like, if you look over here in this part of the sky, I don't know if y'all can see, the moon is out over there. It's a full moon over there. And then behind me is the sun back there. Now, you can't see that everywhere. You can only see it when you got really clear skies, like out here where I stay at, bro. I stay out here in Arizona in the desert. You know, that's the reason why I stay out here, because I wanted to see the top of the dome. You feel me? But listen, back to the point. Listen, man, the world is shifting. It's changing fast, man. I mean, when I say fast, I mean your life depended on it fast. Why you think you see so many people dying, bro? Like, people are going crazy, y'all. People going crazy. Y'all just seen the boy just shoot up the medical center in Midtown Atlanta. Then y'all seen the Spanish dude, few hours before that, yesterday, shot a whole family. Like, I'm telling you, folks, things are speeding up because, listen, one thing you gotta understand about this world, y'all, we all on different dimensions, bruh. Don't nobody live in the same reality as somebody else. Like, you can be standing beside somebody and you be living in a totally different reality than they live in. You won't even see what the same like, you can be sitting beside somebody in a car, bro. You won't even see the same shit that they see with their eyes. You won't even look at a tree and see the same colors that they see. Some people are on the lower dimension, bro. Some people on the lower dimension. Some people on the higher dimension. You feel me? Like, some people got animals and pets and shit, right? And I be seeing it. Some people got animals and pets. And when they take their animal and pets out to like, play and stuff, don't you know it's a big open field? Most of these people still got their animals on a leash, but you're supposed to be taking your animal out to have fun, but you scared that your dog is gonna run away. Like, literally, some people control their pets, and on the other hand, some people let their pets be their pets. Why? Because these people live in different dimensions, man. You get what I'm saying? So I'm saying that all to say, right now, the world is going through what I want to call a refinery process. Like a refinery process. It's like separating the wheat from the chaff. Separating the good from the bad. The universe wants us to go back within. That's why you probably been like, yo, you've been feeling like, I can't get along with people. I don't want to hang with people. And then it's crazy because even when you put yourself out there sometimes to like try to cope with people or associate with them, you always end up being separated from the person anyway. And you like, what's going on? Is it me? Is it you? Is it them? Light can't hang with dark. Okay? Light cannot hang with dark, man. Listen, it's a time, we living in a time now where even if people got demons or ill intentions towards you, and they a dark person, but they look like they're a good person, a person of positive energy, even if they trying to act like it, it won't be for too long you be separated from that person. Because like I say, we living in a time where manifestation is speeding up. Light is coming out. The light is showing up more. And the darkness always come to the light. So you probably like, yo, why am I attracting broken people? Why am I attracting so much toxic people in my life? because the darkness is attracted to light. But ain't it funny? Because when they start to hang with you and kick it with you, they can't hang with you for too long before they start showing their darkness. And see, you ain't no medical professional. You ain't no therapist. Your job is not to heal nobody if they're going to treat you dirty at the same time. But anyway, speeding up the video a little bit. So listen, folks. Again, this is why you see so many people going crazy. This is why you see so many demons coming out of people, because these demons inside of these people are being exposed with the amount of light that's being that's on the earth now. You know what I'm saying? They being exposed by the amount of light that's on earth now. So it's like they gotta show they gotta show their shit. They gotta show up. They gotta show out. They can't take it. You know what I'm saying? But you got to keep in mind, everybody live in a different dimension. Listen, things attract to you according to how you think about what's going to happen for you. All right? This is the world we living in. They call it the new world or whatever you want to call it. People say this is new age stuff. No, it ain't new age stuff. People that think like that, they just afraid to go along with evolution because things change. You know, once upon a time, we used to use VCRs and cassette tapes, right? Okay, they ain't saying nothing about how they listen to iTunes now, and they once upon a time used to listen to VHS cassette tapes, do they? They don't say that's new age. They don't say, oh, yeah, we using a cell phone now. But what about the phones what about the flip phone? What about the phones with the cords? Oh, they wasn't new age, but you using the cell phone today that don't got no cord on it. So you don't be a hypocrite because you afraid to change your personality and get out your ways and become a positive person. And see, you're going to see a lot of people do this. And like I say, folks, this is why God's separating people from people that is supposed to be together. Because some people don't want to change, dog. You know what I mean? It might be somebody you in a relationship with, anybody, man. Some people stuck in their ways so much, they don't want to change and to like adapt like a chameleon because they too selfish. So since people want to act selfish, you know what the universe doing? The universe saying, okay, well, do it by yourself then. And listen, see, the universe will put you in a situation where it ain't gonna be nothing you can do to help these people, because it's a part of the God's plan. It's a part of his plan. It ain't gonna be nothing you can do to help some of these people. And you probably be thinking about this on a regular basis, like, yo, man, I've tried the most I can to try to lend a helping hand. I feel bad because I'm not reaching back and helping her out. Oh man, I feel like I'm leaving my friends. I have a little bit of money. I know they probably don't have it like me. I am able to manifest things, and I know how the law of attraction works, but they don't know how to. You can't feel bad for them because this is not your fault. Like everybody being pushed internally, dog. That's why they call this shit the Great Awakening, bro. Because no matter how much people keep looking for answers out here, they're gonna always hit a roadblock. And that's what you see right now. You see so many people that's trying to go outside and figure out what's on the inside, but the inside is what's on the inside right now. That's why you see so many people, they look like Decepticons. So many people, they look like a Decepticon. Why? Because they trying to create that outer shell to make it look good, because on the inside, they got problems, bro. And they don't know how to fix it. Why? Because they are afraid to change. People living in different dimensions. I don't know if you like me, big bro, but I'm a master manifester. I'm living in a dimension. It's funny how people ride by you and just stop because they see you recording with a phone. You don't know who I'm talking to. But see, people thirst for information, bro. They trying to figure out what the hell is going on out here. Listen, you can manifest at the think of a thought nowadays. And if your thought is the right thought that you put into the universe, if you got the right intention and you really know how to manifest, bro, I done seen manifestations come like in an hour, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all seeing this, but I'm seeing synchronicities happen more frequently than ever before. It's almost scaring me a little bit. Like, but I know what it is. I know it's a synchronicity. You feel me? That means you in alignment. That means you're on the right track with everything that you desire when you start seeing a bunch of synchronicities and stuff like that. That's how you know you manifesting fast. Regular people don't see the double, they don't see the double thing happen, like where they see their car beside regular people don't get that because they're not in alignment. Everybody lives in a different dimension. Some people live in a hell state of mind, bro. Heaven or hell ain't nothing that you gotta die to get to. You can create it right now in your mind. Like some people live in a hell mindset, bro. They don't experience nothing but a toxic day. Everybody's a bad person. Everybody hates them. They hate their job. They hate this person. You ever been around somebody like that? They just evil. It's all every time they pull up, you be like, damn, why they gotta be here? That's the people I'm talking about. These people are on a low vibration. They on the low dimension. And like I said, you can't cope with them type of people no more, bro. You can't. Y'all can't even get along. You don't even feel right being around them. That's why you be wanting to stay away from these Decepticons. Because you already know the moment you get around them, they're going to bring your spirit down and they're going to bring your energy down. You know what I'm saying? With the way they think. And this shit be so toxic because you be like, yo, chill. Like, you is toxic as fuck right now. Like, some people are just literally toxic as fuck. And I don't know about you, but like, I cannot hang around that shit, bro. I can't, bro. That shit irks me. Like, that shit does something to me. Like, it makes me mad, bro. Like I can't stand when hear people talk about, like, I can't stand that gossipy shit. I don't like that shit, bro. I don't like when people talk negative about the world. I don't like it. I don't care about the problems in the world. I don't care. I'm worried about focusing on what I can create. Like I said, folks, that's why you see so many people falling off. I told y'all this was going to happen videos and eons ago. I told y'all if people don't get their vibration in the right alignment, they're going to start falling off. Gone. Dead. Popping up, dead. Why? Because it really ain't got nothing to do. It ain't really got nothing to do with nobody else except for that person choosing not to change their life and choosing not to get on the right frequency, right vibration. If you align yourself with the right frequency vibration, you won't see nothing but yellow trees. You won't see nothing but birds and bees. Good energy will attract to you naturally. Good experiences will come to you all the time. Because you're on a positive vibration. You're on a positive frequency. But if you're on a negative frequency, you see all the negative things. Negative shit always finds you for some strange reason. You like, damn, why my day going like this? Why I got bad luck? It's because you on a negative frequency. You manifesting everything that you thinking about that's going on that's bad. Every time you think something bad is going to happen, it manifests. Why? Because you giving it your attention. You keep thinking about it. You're like, oh, this is going to happen. You giving it attention. Anything you give your attention, it's basically like you saying, that's important. I don't give a damn what it is, bro. Anything you giving your attention, you basically like, that's important. Like if you sitting around thinking about how much bills you got to pay and shit and how much debt you in, you like, oh, that's important. Guess what? I got a mail today from the Treasury. Now, I've been getting good mail lately because I've been attracting good energy. But I got a mail today came from the U.S. Treasury Department. First thing that came to my mind was prosperity. I didn't even open it up yet. My negative mindset was telling me, that's another bill. That's another bill. But I didn't even open it for like a whole hour. I just let them thoughts just go away. And I just kept thinking, Treasury, that means treasure. That means treasure. Lo and behold, I opened up that mail, bro. I had a whole check in that joint. I ain't even gonna tell you what my check was from or what it's about. I had a check in that joint, bro. And I'm like, see, I manifested it. Because if I was thinking about a bill, if I was thinking about the RRS or something like taxes or something, it would have been that in there. But see, that's how the universe works. The universe will give you what you want according to how you feel and how you think. Like, you know what I'm saying? We in different dimensions, bro. People, when you look at somebody's life, and if you comparing somebody's life to like your life, you lost. Because the reality of the situation is, don't nobody fucking control your life but yourself, bro. What somebody else got is that's cause what they got, because they put that work in. That's what they got. Shit. You can manifest what you want. You can easily manifest what you want, bro. All you gotta do, bro, is put the thoughts out there. Keep thinking on what you really want to happen, and I guarantee you that shit gonna happen by some kind of way. That shit is gonna come into your life, bro. If you just focus on it. But real talk, man. This is the new earth, bro. It's like a new earth, man. You gotta think about energy, frequencies, and vibrations and stuff like that. Like, it's the old shit is out the door, bro. You can't be toxic and living in these times, bro. If you do, you're gonna attract toxicity in your life. You're gonna attract negative energy into your life because you always miserable. That's what's gonna happen. And that's, like I say, that's why y'all see so many people, bro. They lost, bro. They like NPCs because they just constantly thinking about negativity, bro. So they don't realize that same negativity they keep focusing on is manifesting to them. Meanwhile, the positive people, shit, they living happily ever after, scotch-free, credit going up, money coming in. You know what I'm saying? So, damn, this car stopped. I told y'all them automatic cars out here. What the fuck? Ain't nobody driving this damn car. They damn car driving itself. I can't make this shit up, man. It's your big bro Trend. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Speak up, let your voice be heard. Leave a comment below. Oh yeah, lost information for the Star Season Chosen One. I got volume 3 and volume 4 is gonna be available for y'all, like in 2 hours. So look back at the bottom of the comment section if y'all want 3 and 4. If y'all got 1 and 2, good. But I'm gonna give y'all 3 and 4 also. So with that being said, man, speak up, let your voice be heard. Let me know what you think about the new earth, man. Peace.